Table tennis enthusiasts around the world are eagerly anticipating the Singapore Smash 2023, which will commence with the qualifying singles matches on March 7, 2023. WTT Singapore Smash 2023, hosted at the OCBC Arena in the Singapore Sports Hub from March 7th to March 19th. The Singapore Smash 2023 is a pivotal event in the World Table Tennis WTT calendar, featuring 64-player men's and women's singles and 24-pair doubles and mixed competitions. The top 10 players in each singles category will be competing, as well as the defending champions from last year's event. Prize pool. With a prize pool of $2 million and an impressive lineup of international players, fans can anticipate 2 weeks of world-class table tennis action. Along with the international players, the Singapore Smash 2023 will feature a substantial group of local talent, providing them with the opportunity to compete against the best in the world while attempting to impress on home soil. Best players. Here's the list of some of the best players participating in the Singapore Smash 2023. Fan Zhendong, ranked 1. Ma Long, ranked 2. Wang Chuqin, ranked 3. Tomokazu Harimoto, Hugo, Calderano, Truls, Morigard, Liang Jingkunlin Yuju, Dmitrij Ovcharov, Darko Djordjic. The top-ranked female table tennis player Sun Yingsha is set to participate in the WTT Singapore Smash 2023, along with other top players such as Chen Meng, ranked 2, Wang Manyu, ranked 3, Wang Yidi, Mima Ito, Hina Hayata, Chen Xingtong, Kasumi Ishikawa, Du Hoi Kim, and Ying Han. These elite athletes will compete against each other in the women's singles competition, vying for the championship title and a share of the USD 2,000 prize money and 2,000 world ranking points on offer.
Timeout pays off. We have our first men's doubles champions at the Singapore Smash in Fan Zhendong and Wang Chuqin. A chance to hear from the players. Another look at Fan Zhendong setting up Wang Chuqin, how close that racket is. I felt like it was a calculated shot. He didn't go for the biggest shot possible. Just a secure, good old 80% with spin and placement for the win. Good handshakes, good eye contact, a sign of respect from the champions. They'll have their chances to smile later, and I think they will.
And now, please put your hands together for your Singapore Smash men's doubles champions from China, Fan Zhendong and Wang Chuqin.
More about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.